Are you looking for the best smoothie blenders? In this video we will look at some of the best smoothie blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nutri Bullet NBR 1201 Smoothie Blender. You didn't honestly think we'd write a review about the best smoothie blenders without the original nutrient extractor, Nutri Bullet, getting a big old mention. We've picked it out as our best choice today because it's quite simply supreme when it comes to pulverizing fruits and veggies to make superfood super smooth shakes and smoothies. Being healthy just got a whole lot easier thanks to this powerful 600-watt motor on a high-torque power base. What helps set this machine apart is the patented stainless steel blade design with cyclonic action. It can break down even the toughest of ingredients to deliver a daily dose of silky smooth goodness and a perfectly balanced and nutritious meal in a glass in just seconds. Perfect for anyone with a hectic lifestyle who wants to enjoy the nutritional benefits on the go. Number 2. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. The Ninja Professional Countertop Blender, BL660, is a suitable blender that can be used for various purposes. For starters, its sturdy design with rare features makes this blender stand out effortlessly. Its see-through 72-ounce plastic framework for blending has a strong design, crafted for an easy grip. It also has a measuring scale on its body, which can be used to effectively measure the quantity of the substance to be blended, and its 72-ounce jar capacity is also generically adequate for a large house setting, enough to blend for an entire family. What's more, its magnificent motor power ranging up to 1,100 watts is capable of crushing ice to a state synonymous with snow. Furthermore, it delivers effortless torque and has a tough build for a blender. This amazing blend capacity offers 3 speed functions for different gradients of blends. Other qualities that make the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender, BL660, worth the buy, is its ability to control pulsations, along with an option for single serve. Additionally, the designed arrangement of the blades on this blender is what gives it its unique and smoother blend capacity without inconsistency. They tear and shred through the hardest of ingredients to deliver outstanding results. The blender also offers 2 separate Nutri Ninja cups that are convenient for taking delicious drinks while on the move. These cups are both 16 ounces in volume and are transparent with seal lids that are designed in such a way to prevent spillage and leakage while moving around. Number 3. Ninja Mega Smoothie Blender. The Ninja Mega is not so much a blender as an entire kitchen system that can deliver exceptional professional-level performance, even perfectly blending frozen ingredients too. It's one of the most famous mixers around, and it certainly packs a punch with a price that's much friendlier than many of its professional-style competitors. Powered by a 1500-watt base, with a 72-ounce pitcher, the blades are razor-sharp and make short work of pulverizing pretty much anything you care to throw in there. From nutrient-rich drinks that you can enjoy on the go, to chopping up ingredients to prepare fresh salsas and even making up delicious dough. It effortlessly crushes through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in a matter of seconds thanks to Nutri Ninja technology. Featuring 5 manual programs and plenty of accessories including 2 16-ounce Nutri cups with sealable lids for savoring that smoothie on the go, it's certainly worth every penny. Number 4. Oster BKSTMB CBG000 Pro 1200 Blender. Our next fruit smoothie blender is the Oster Pro Blender with its powerful 1200-watt motor, 7 speed settings, and smart technology. There are also 3 pre-programmed settings that have been created to blend up your favorite creations effortlessly, plus dual direction blade technology for precise chopping and grinding results. A further pulse feature allows you to have even more control over those results, from salsas to smoothies and shakes. It's easy to operate and easy to clean too with a dishwasher-safe Boraclass 6-cup jar. It's durable and robustly manufactured and even comes with a 10-year warranty, which is just exceptional. Besides all of that, the price is certainly impressive, and it also comes with a separate 24-ounce smoothie cup so that you can enjoy delicious and refreshing beverages on the go. Number 5. Cuisinart CPB 300 Blender. Cuisinart is somewhat of a culinary giant and recognized and loved the world over. This slim and compact-looking smoothie blender from their extensive range may look streamlined, but it's still powerful enough to create sensational smoothies in seconds, as well as mincing up herbs and whipping up plenty of other blended recipes. With sleek and attractive LED indicator lights, it comes with 3 settings: high, low, and a pulse control. There's a standby mode along with an auto stop plus an interlock safety mode. Designed to fit in even the most compact of kitchens conveniently, it can easily be operated single-handedly and has a user-friendly electronic touchpad. Made from BPA-free shatterproof Eastman plastic, it's robust and durable and also dishwasher safe. Cuisinart CPB 300 blender also features ultra-sharp patented stainless steel blades, and there are 4 travel cups included so that all the family can enjoy their own customized drinks on the go.